Hello students, how are you all? I am Anisha Jain and today's topic is preposition. As the word itself suggests, it's related to the position. Now what is preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other words in the sentence. Noun और pronoun का जो relation होता है दूसरे words के साथ sentence में जो और भी words हैं उनके साथ क्या relation है वो बताता है. That word is called preposition. Okay, it shows the position of the noun or pronoun. Now can you see the position of the rat over here? Yes, it's beside the table, above the table, under the table, behind the table, next to the table, near the table, towards the table. So what are all these words? These all words are showing the position of the rat. So these all words are nothing but preposition. Got it? Now, preposition are word that gives additional information of the sentence. It tells us about the sentence. It shows how a noun or pronoun relates to other parts of the sentence. Usually, they give you the answer of where the noun is, when, about which time we are talking about how the noun is. Okay. Now, there are some words which tells you about where, about give you the answer of where the noun is. The words will be beyond, atop, over, off, beside, among, near, at, across, on, towards, below, down. All these words give you the answer of where the noun is. When the answer to the question when, that is about the time, it's related to the time, and after, before, past, within, during, since, all these words give you the time, give you the time of the noun when the action is taking place. About how, the words that give you the answer of how is against, on, into, down, out of, right. That is, these all words are giving you the movement of the noun, how the noun is moving about, what the noun is doing at that time. Okay. Now there are some additional prepositions like about, for, from, except, of, regarding. So there are many prepositions about which we are going to be learning from time to time. So basically it gives you the position of the noun and the pronoun, its relationship. Now look at this picture. Can you tell the position of all the alphabets like A, B, C, D, it's given till J, the position of all these uh, in this picture? Yes, see A. A is standing at the bank of the river. The word at. Next, where is B? B is swimming in the river. So in is the preposition. Where is C? C is sailing in a boat over the river. So in and over, both are preposition. What is the position of D? D is jumping into the river. What is the D doing? D is jumping into the river. So this is the position of D. Now E. Where is E? Can you see it? E is standing upon the tree. A is standing upon the tree. Tree के ऊपर. F is hiding behind himself behind the tree. ट्री के पीछे छिपा रहा है अपने आप को. So behind the tree. G is standing between the river and the tree. What is the position of G? It's standing between the river and the tree. H is standing with the tree or beside. Okay. Now like I standing behind the tree. ट्री के पीछे खड़ा है. So behind the tree. Where is J? J is something among the plants. Plants के बीच में घूम रहा है, बीच में है और कुछ सर्च कर रहा है. So it's among the plants. So all these words are nothing but prepositions. Okay. So basically there are many prepositions that you are going to learn from time to time, but at present you have to know what exactly preposition is and how you can identify it. Preposition, it will show you the relationship between the noun and pronoun with the other words of the sentence, and generally it is placed just before the noun or pronoun on the sentence. So just keep practicing and you will be able to do it. Thank you, dear.